Are you stuck at home or feeling stuck on what to nature journal? I've got 21 tips and ideas for you for what to do in these types of situations. G'day everyone, I'm Kim. I'm going to break this video into two parts to help you with what to do when you're either one, physically stuck, for example at home or due to poor weather, the pandemic, etc. Or two, mentally stuck for ideas on what to draw or when you have a blank page. Sometimes we just can't leave our bedroom or the house we're in. It can suck, but that doesn't mean that we can't do nature journaling so long as we've got access to writing materials. In fact, nature journaling is an ideal activity for when you might be feeling isolated or lonely, since it can help you feel connected with nature or other people doing a similar thing. Drawing and writing can also help your mental health, and that's very important to look after if you're physically unable to go outside or be around people. So what can you nature journal at home? Here are 6 subjects you can nature journal when you're physically stuck indoors. 1. Outside your window. If you've got a view of the sky, then you could do some sky scapitos, which are mini sky landscapes, or monitor the changes over sunrise or sunset. Skies change all the time, and you could even try nature journaling at night. What season is it, and how can you tell? Hopefully you'll also be able to see birds. Or maybe you're looking down at a busy street and you've only got people to watch. Well, what are they doing? What's their behavior like? If you're lucky enough to have some greenery, then maybe do the trees and plants as well. 2. A fridge safari, or just your kitchen. If you've got any fruit or vegetables in your kitchen, then you can nature journal. Even something moldy that you might want to throw away could in fact make for incredibly interesting discoveries. You could try dissections, where you cut things up, maybe in a different way to the usual way of chopping it up. And look inside as well as outside. Of course, this is perfect to explore with your taste buds as well. Pets are probably an obvious one here. They're not just a source of comfort, they make great nature journaling subjects too. Get them in different positions, in their favourite spots. What particular behaviours do they have? Pot plants, just like pets, come in all shapes and sizes, and again have some unique characteristics that you probably can capture on the page. What's especially handy about plants compared to pets is that they don't typically move and can be much less frustrating. Now, there's also humans. Of course, if it's just you, do you? Have you tried drawing your hands or your feet in different poses? Maybe a self-portrait? What can you learn about the human body? Even monitoring how you feel at different times and what you're doing in those moments can be enlightening. And if you've got other friends or people in the house that you're with, why not do them in different poses? And finally, insects. If you come across a spider or some ants, don't kill them. Find out what they're doing, why they're there, maybe what they want. You can always rehome them outside when you're done making your notes, but you might learn something first. What to do if you're mentally stuck? So, of course, you can feel stuck even when you're free as a bird physically to go and do whatever you want. Maybe it's your mood, or staring at that blank page, or just you're paralyzed for choice. Here are 15 ideas to get you out of the following ruts. Tools. If you don't like using the tools you have or feel like they're not working for you, then sometimes trying a new tool can make a huge difference in your motivation. However, don't feel like you need anything special to be able to nature journal. It's possible to make great pages with just printer paper and a pencil or a ballpoint pen. Don't blame your tools if it's not coming out the way you want. But if you don't like something, change it. You're stuck staring at a blank page. What can you do? This stems from perfectionism. So keep in mind that you're working in your own journal and you don't have to share it with anyone if you don't want to, and it doesn't need to be perfect. At least something is better than nothing. So, here's how to get over the horror of staring at a blank page. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but you can firstly start by writing some metadata down, like your title, your date, time, location. If you're worried about making a mistake on your very first page of your journal, you can always leave that first page blank. Or, alternatively, you could start from the back, and it feels like there's less pressure that way. You can also make a test page, and that sort of breaks in the journal. You can stick in some information about the journal or other bits of paper where you are into your journal. And finally, maybe you want to get some quick warm-up sketches in before you start actually focusing on your subject in more detail. What to draw? Well, firstly, you could write a keyword at the top of the page that you want to focus on. For example, Jack Laws likes to give the keyword change. And so you can go out in nature and have a look at what change do you see, or what embodies this concept that you can put down on paper. And you can even just have the word written in an interesting way, and that might be enough to stimulate you to think of what to include. You could choose from a prompt list or a challenge. The 31 ideas that I've got is linked in the description below. And finally, go find inspiration. For example, you could go for a walk. You could look at a friend's notebook. You can watch something on YouTube or Instagram. Just don't get stuck scrolling endlessly. To help you, you can save ideas or inspirational images into a single place, like a folder on your computer, or cut out images from magazines and keep them at your desk. Just make sure you can find these easily again without getting distracted. And finally, what to do when you're stuck in a poor mood. If you're not feeling great, it can be really difficult to find motivation to draw or journal. But at the same time, doing nature journaling can boost your mood. So at least if you want to give it a go, then here are some things you can try. You could write a poem about how you're feeling or what's around you. You could go to a favorite spot or your regular sit spot if you have one. What's happening there today? Find your comfort subject and journal that. Maybe it's your pet. Maybe try a new tool that you're excited about testing. You could go for a walk and bring something home to try journaling later when your mood improves. Go join a friend and do some journaling together. Or finally, find inspiration in other people's journals and on social media, like I mentioned before. I hope this has given you plenty of ideas for what to do when you're stuck. What are your tips? Share them in the comments below and any questions you've got as well. Also, check out the Try Nature Journaling Challenge prompts if you haven't already, and remember to share your pages with me by tagging Kim's Art Adventures on Instagram. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.